Nazia Hassan, April 3, 1965 to August 13, 2000, was a Pakistan pop singer, songwriter, lawyer, and social activist, a graduate of the Richmond, the American International University and University of London. She started her music career at the age of 10 and became one of the most prominent singers in Pakistan and India. She has been termed as the Queen of Pop in South Asia. She, along with her brother Zohaib Hassan, went on to sell over 60 million records worldwide. Her English language single Dreamer, Deewane, made her Pakistan singer to make it to the British chart. Hassan made her singing debut with the song Aap Jaisa Koi from the Indian film Qurbani, 1980. Her debut album Disco Deewane, 1981, charted in 14 countries worldwide and became the best-selling Asian pop record until that time. This was followed by Boom Boom Yang Tarang, 1984, and Hotline, which has her last solo album, 1987. Her last album, Camera Camera, 1992, was part of campaign against drugs.
Through her successful singing career spanning over 25 years, Hassan became one of the subcontinent's most popular celebrities. She received numerous national and international awards, and at the age of 15 became the first Pakistani to win the Filmfare Award and remains the youngest recipient of the award till date. Hassan was also a recipient of Pakistan's highest civilian award, Pride of Performance. In addition to singing in films, Hassan also engaged in philanthropic activities and was appointed by UNICEF as its cultural ambassador in 1991. Hassan died of lung cancer in London on August 13, 2000 at the age of 35. Early life. See also Nazia and Zohaib Hassan was born in Karachi, Sindh, Pakistan and brought up in Karachi and London. She was the daughter of Baser Hassan, a businessman, and Unisa Baser, an active social worker. She was the sister of singers Zohaib Hassan and Zara Hassan. Hassan received her bachelor's degree in business administration and economics at the Richmond American University in London. In 1991, she became an intern in the Women's International Leadership Program at the United Nations. Later, she went on to work for the United Nations Security Council. She held a London University Law Bachelor of Laws degree. Career 1975 to 1980. Hassan began singing during the late 1970s when she appeared on several television shows on PAC. The show was produced by Shoaib Mansour. It was the first ever all-pop music stage show to be aired on television. The show launched the careers of many new rising bands and singers and became popular in Pakistan. She hosted another show, Dognak, on PTV in the same year, 1989. In 1991, Hassan and her brother Zohaib recorded her fifth album, Camera Camera. Before the album's release, she and Zohaib announced that it would be their last album. The album was released in 1992. It was not as successful as her previous albums and received only average reaction. After the album's release, she left her singing career to focus on her personal life. Bidu composed the song made in India and he wanted Nazia to sing it, but the retired Hassan refused to sing the song. That might offend Pakistan. The song was then offered to Alicia Chinese personal life. On March 30, 1995, Hassan married businessman Mirza Ishai Abdu based in an Islamic wedding ceremony held in Karachi. This took place after her being diagnosed with cancer. They have a son, Perez Hassan, born on April 7, 1997. The marriage ended in a divorce 10 days before Nazia's death. In an interview later, her brother Zohaib Hassan related that Nazia's personal life was filled with turmoil and she fought personal battles incessantly. Death edit. Nazia Hassan fought a long battle with cancer during the last years of her life and died of lung cancer in London on August 13, 2000. At the age of 35, she had been admitted to North London Hospice in London 3 days earlier when her condition deteriorated. She showed signs of mild recovery the day before she died. and it was thought that doctors would allow her to go home. But early Sunday morning, her mother Mirza was called to the hospital where her daughter had started coughing heavily at around 9:15 a.m. She died within minutes. Her namus Ijanaza took place at Golders Green Crematorium, and she was buried at Hamden Cemetery Muslim section in London. Per Islamic rights. In an interview with the Express Tribune, her brother Zohaib revealed she died an unhappy person. She died in pain.